Hello everyone, in this video I will demonstrate you the working of our Snort tool with the help of Kali Linux operating system. So Snort is called as a packet sniffer which is used for capturing the traffic and which will generate the alert messages for our security rule configuration. So we have to check our Snort is installed or not, so we can use that command snort -- version. So it will be asking for, do you want to install it? So I'm pressing it here, no. And I will show you with the help of which command the Snort will be installed. But before installing the Snort, you have to update your packages by with the help of sudo apt update _ sudo apt upgrade command. So with the help of this command, it will install whatever the necessary packages will be required for installing our new tools. And it will upgrade our configuration for our Kali Linux operating system. So I have already upgraded my packages. So I'm directly going with that sudo apt-get install snort. So this is the command which will be used for installing our snort tool. So click on enter button. It will ask for our Kali Linux password. So I am entering my password here and click on enter button. Now it will start installing our Snort tool. It will display here the message one newly installed tool and 1191 not upgraded. So there is no upgradation required. They have installed our tool with the help of software, with the help of tool command, that is sudo apt-get install snort. Now after installation of this tool with the help of this command, we need to check that version for our snort. So I'm typing here snort -- version. So it will display my version number 3.1.82.0 is installed on my machine. Now I'm checking here what are the configuration files will be already exist in the folder of /etc/snort/directory. Click on enter button. Previously it will display total 0 count. There is no specific configuration files will be exist in the directory. Now we have to create a configuration for our snort.configuration file and local.rules file. So for this one, you need to type the command sudo make directory /p/etc/snort-/rules. And within that, with the help of bash command, you need to type here sudo bash-c, then cat, that is the contents of our file, within that particular directory, that is /etc/snort/snort.configuration. And our file will be ended with the end of the file. And within that, you have to set that particular rules, that is ipvar home net any, then ipvar external net any, and these are the rules like var rule path, that is /etc/snort/rules. So under this directory, we are setting our local.rules. So you have to load your local rules under the file, that is rule_path, and the name of the file is local.rules, and our file will be closed with the help of EOF, that is end of the file. And within that, we have to set some configuration rules like under local.rules file, that is ICMP ping, with the help of alert messages. So Snort, it is a kind of tool which will display the alert messages with the help of alert, ICMP, any, then this arrow, then any, then message, ICMP test detected. Then HTTP GET request on port number 80. You have to set alert message for this one also. And for synchronization to our SSH protocol, that is port number 22, you can also generate this alert message for this protocol. So total 3 local rules have been set under this local.rules files. So I'm taking that whole code and I'm pasting my code in my console and click on enter button. And once you are checking with the next previous command which we have entered previously, that is ls minus l slash etc slash snort slash. So it will display total 8 rules has been total 8 directories we have set under this category. Suppose you have to go with that rules folder, that is rules directory, then you can type here ls minus l slash etc slash not slash rules slash and click on enter. So it will display there are 4 total directories are present. Now I'm going with that snort dot configuration. So it will display there is one configuration file will be present under this snort.configuration file that we have already created. Now once you can check for the configuration, you need to type the command sudo then snort then dash I, that is Ethernet interface, and our name of the interface is Ethernet 0, then dash R, and which under the category that is dash etc slash snort slash rules slash local dot rules, and within that we have generate some alert messages. So whenever we will execute this command under the fast mode, so it will display how many rules have been loaded here. So total 3 rules have been loaded here. Text rules are 3, option chains are 3, chain headers will be 3, and here we have generated 2 TCP messages, 1 ICMP messages. So that configuration rule count will be displayed under this category. So you can check here, we have set this rule, that is alert any message to port number 80, port number 22. So that will be displayed here under this TCP, UDP and ICMP category. And this is the summary for our instances and patterns for our rule category. So in this way, you can execute the commands for our Snort application. As well as you can type the command that is ping, then minus C, that's it dash C, and name of our Ethernet interface as well as our packet count. So the packet count will be 2 and I'm transferring the 2 packets count to my 10.10.0.2.15. That is my IP address. So it will display the message ping and I'm sending the 2 packets. So it will display the 2 packets will be transmitted successfully. So in this way, you can execute the commands with the help of Snort tool.